Hey everybody, I'm Adrienne with Design the Planet, and I'm a 25-year marketing and advertising veteran, and I have had the pleasure of helping hundreds of companies and hundreds of business owners grow their brands and grow their businesses online and off. And today I'm here to share more about how to use Google My Business to get more customers. Google happens to have about, 92.47% of the shopping market, or the search market in general. So lots of business, most of search is being done on Google. This is why spending the time focusing on your Google My Business is so important. If you're looking for more customers on the web, if you're not getting the business you want now, looking at your Google My Business is a great place to start generating more business. So Google Marketing 101, some of the 101s that everybody needs to know and really take good care of is company name. I can't tell you how important it is for this company name to be the exact same name that's also on your website and other places. If Google is confused, this is who Google thinks it is because, well, that's what you went and set up. So you'll see this name for us, and then you'll also see this name on all of our other listings properties. Go claim your Google My Business listing. If you haven't claimed it before, you're not sure, it says own your business. You click on this button and you go through the process of claiming your business if you haven't done it before. If you have a product or service, you can add your product or services in here. So here are some products. List your products here and make sure you keep this updated. Curate your photos. So these are the photos that are associated with Design the Planet right now. So this is actually the photo of the outside of our building. This is a team photo from COVID because we have masks on. And then this is the map, the all-important map. But you have the ability to go in and curate these photos. Don't look at your Google My Business as a set it and forget it, because it's not. You treat it almost like another social media because it has some of those same tools. So this is our Google My Business, and we post to this about every week or so. And we use specific keyword-rich info that helps with search engines. And then when people are looking at our listing on Google, they can learn more about us and what things that we do. Why is this so important? Google wants to be active. They want to be part of your ongoing conversation. So when you're posting here, Google thinks, well, they love us, and then they also end up sharing and posting more info. So you're enriching Google's information about your company, and then you reap the benefits by having more search terms out there for Google. One of the biggest challenges for businesses where they go really wrong and upset a lot of clients is not updating their hours of operation. So we close soon, 6 p.m. But if you open this up, it shows our regular hours of operation. And a lot of companies, especially retail, do not update these on a regular basis, and clients get very upset when these are not correct. They are counting on this information being correct. So if you're going to have a change one day, make sure you can put in special hours for events or holidays to say that you're going to be closed. You'll upset a lot of clients if your hours of operation are not set up correctly. Google uses the reviews. This is one of the areas that does help you generate more business, is having reviews with Google. And so you can click here, yay, we're a 5-star, and these are all the amazing people, lots of clients who've gone through the trouble of listing us, and they say great things about us. This is a great way to use Google to help you get more business. People read the reviews on Google, and many people make decisions on if they're coming to your business or not, or if they saw you on the map, on Google Map, and maybe you're a restaurant and maybe they haven't tried you before. They're going to go read your reviews. This is a likely area where they will go read reviews. So using Google and making sure your reviews are up to date and that you're responding and taking care of people, super, super important. The map feature. This is something that is huge. And it's becoming even bigger as Google pays more attention to Google Maps and allows people to kind of pay a little bit to be promoted on Google Maps. But Google Maps is the tool where when people are in a certain area, you search for certain topics, and then, where do you show up? How do you show up? This is super, super important to map search. If you're a destination, if you're really working on getting traffic from people who are passing through, or retail or specific products, this is a huge thing for you to make sure you're listed, make sure your location is correct, and make sure your hours are updated. So these are the big ways that obviously you can pay for Google Ads, and that's good too. That can help. But having all of this set up it's talking to Google, and it will help your website in Google search. So there are so many ways that these listings will benefit you. So take the time and put the energy into updating your Google listing, claiming it. The other way you can use Google My Business to get more customers is actually to share your Google star rating on your website. People trust Google, and they trust other people who are rating you on Google because they're real people. So sometimes it's a great idea we do this for some of our clients. We will share the Google ratings on your website, and they can click and they can go check it out and see that it's for real. Another part of Google My Business that helps you do well in search is making sure that you fill in all of the information about your company. So this is a bit about us from Design the Planet. So marketing and website development agency in Metairie, serving Louisiana. Make sure you work on geolocating. We build successful brands. You get the idea. Is spend the time and update the content, because this is also searchable content on Google. When people search certain keywords, hopefully people are searching web development agency, Metairie, and then they can be taken to our listing and learn more about us. This is one of the ways that we get new business. Thanks for tuning in. Hope this helps you market your business more successfully. Remember to like, share, and subscribe so you can be notified of our next great video. Thanks for watching.